How to add debit card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add debit card to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app where there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App. Here, there are more sections and options that can also help you navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are more options. From them, tap this one here named Linked Banks. You will land on this page where you will normally see the banks and cards you have linked to your Cash App account. Since I have not linked any, I will go ahead and tap this option here named Link a Debit Card. This will then take you to this page where you are supposed to enter your debit card details, such as the card number, expiry date, CVV number, and zip code. Make sure you enter this information correctly so that the card can be successfully added to your Cash App account. After that, go ahead and confirm the information you have provided is correct, and then tap here, and just like that, the debit card will be linked to your account. When you come back to the previous page, you should see a similar page to this one, where you can see the card you have linked. Also, two other options will appear after you add your debit card to Cash App, just like you can see. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add debit card to Cash App.